Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to solve this exponential equation, which is 9 to the power of m plus 3 to the power of m, which is equal to 90. Find the value of m. So let's go to the solution. So we have 9 power of m plus 3 power of m, which is equal to 90. So from here we can factor out or expand 9. So this 9 will be 3 times 3 power of m plus 3 power of m, which is equal to 90. So 3 times 3 will be 3 square power of m plus 3 power of m, which is equal to 90. So we know that a power of m power of n is equal to a power of n power of m. So this will be, this term will be 3 power of m power of 2 plus 3 power of m, which is equal to 90. So for this equation we can use substitution. So let x is equal to 3 to the power of m. So let's substitute x in place of 3 to the power of m into this equation. So it will be x square plus this will be x, which is equal to 90. So now let's rearrange the equation. So bringing this 90 to the left hand side. So it will be x squared plus x minus 90, which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we can solve by using quadratic formula or by using product sum rule. So let's use product sum rule. So now we have to find two numbers whose sum is 1 and whose product is minus 90. So product P, which is equal to minus 90, and sum, which is equal to 1. So this minus 90 can be product of 10 times minus 9, and also this 10 plus minus 9 is 1. So this will be, x will be 10x minus 9x, and also this minus 90 will be 10 times minus 9. So the equation will be x squared plus 10x minus 9x plus 10 times minus 9, which is equal to 0. So we have x common term. Let's factor out x. So when we factor out x, so x squared divided by x, it will be x plus 10x divided by x, it will be 10 minus, we have minus 9. So we can factor out minus 9 into 9x divided by 9, it will be x plus 10, which is equal to 0. So we have a common term, which is x plus 10. So let's factor out x plus 10, and also the remaining one is x minus 9 times x minus 9, which is equal to 0. So we have two possibilities. The first one is x plus 10, which is equal to 0 by using zero product identity, and it will be x minus 9, which is equal to 0. So from here x will be minus 10, and from here x will be 9. But we have x, which is equal to 3 to the power of m, because our intention is to find the value of m. So for case 1, let's say this is case 1, and let's say this is case 2. For case 1, x which is equal to minus 10. So we have x to the power of m which is equal to minus 10. So as you have seen from here, exponentiation of any real number, any positive real number, it cannot be result a negative number. So 3 to the power of m is different from minus 10. So this is rejected because there is no raised solution which satisfies this equation. 3 to the power of m which is equal to minus 10. And let's see the second case. This is the first case, which is x which is equal to 9. So we have x which is equal to 3 to the power of m which is equal to 9. So this 3 to the power of m which is equal to, let's expand or factor out this one, so it will be 3 squared. So we have m which is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2 is our solution. So let's check it. Let's check it. We have the equation 9 to the power of m plus 3 to the power of m which is equal to 90. So with m is equal to 2, so 9 power of 2 plus 3 power of 2 which is equal to 90. So this 9 square will be 81 plus this will be 9 which is equal to 90. So 90 is equal to 90. So our answer m which is equal to 2 is a solution for 9 power of m plus 3 power of m which is equal to 90. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.